Dangers of Chemlawn. TruGreen ChemLawn is a nationwide service that provides homeowners and businesses with landscaping services such as pest control, weed control and fertilization. However, many chemicals the company uses cause a variety of health problems. ChemLawn services. TruGreen ChemLawn doesn't manufacture its own products but provides professional application of landscaping products, many of which are similar or identical to products available to the public. TruGreen ChemLawn doesn't use products banned by the Environmental Protection Agency (EPA), but many products it uses have been identified by the EPA as posing various health risks, and some have been banned or restricted in countries outside the U.S. Chemicals. Some of the most common chemicals found in TruGreen ChemLawn products include prodimen found in barricade herbicides, imidacloprid merit and carbaryl 7, though there are many others. Human effects. Some chemicals, such as prodimen, have relatively mild toxicity, but they have been known to cause cancer and disrupt endocrine, reproductive and/or neurological functioning in cases of long-term exposure. Others can cause severe poisoning. Lawn and garden effects. Chemical fertilizers get fast results, but over time they leach the soil of natural nutrients, making it necessary to reapply these chemicals year after year. Insecticides tend to kill indiscriminately, driving out helpful insects as well as pests. Organic alternatives. Organic landscaping methods focus on preventive measures and soil properties, including pH and water retention. These methods address the causes of garden and lawn care problems rather than treating the symptoms.